CJX. Today it's Tuesday, right? Yeah, Tuesday, March 21st, 2023. This cylinder head, it's supposed to replace the cylinder head from that engine there inside. The CJX that's now a long time here, the one that has epoxy on the ports. Wish me luck to find the title of this. It's supposed to be CJX and CHH, right? Okay, now back to the point. Before they sent me one cylinder head without the cover. Then they sent me one cylinder head with the cover, and me, I was so smart. I prepared the cylinder head, I wash everything, and then I pay attention on the numbers, and I saw that it's not matching the number with the cylinder head. That the upper cover was different. Now, I received another cylinder head. We received it on Saturday, but I was busy, and they brought it to me yesterday night here, and I forget it, and now I came to wash my hands, and I saw it. Alright, now, that's the cylinder head what they brought me. This is the cylinder head, this is the cover of the cylinder head. The numbers are matching, we're gonna see that later when we're gonna prepare it. But, by just watching the cylinder head, I can tell you for sure that need to go for resurface. Okay? Why need to go for resurface? Because we have here scratch. This is not so much important, but whatever you have to do here near to the where is the head gasket, where it seals the head gasket, like this one, as an example. You cannot see through the camera. I'm talking about this dent here. This is important. This is gonna hurt the gasket, and here we're gonna have a leak. All right. So I will gonna clean it. I'm gonna remove also the carbon, the sludge from the ports. Okay, remove the valves. They brought me with the hydraulic lifters. The hydraulic lifters were shown. So I'm gonna prepare everything. I wanna check also. This cylinder head had also the camshafts inside, and you see that the corrosion, because the aluminum doesn't have this kind of corrosion. This is from a steel. This corrosion, what you see here, this color. So that means this probably it's from a scrapyard. They open it, they remove the camshafts, and they send it like that. Nothing wrong with that. If it's on specs, if there is no problem here, this one's supposed to go away easily. If the clearance here on the camshaft is fine. If I resurface it and clean it and it's nice, the guides and all these things, then I can work with. You can see that nobody resurfaced before. You see the step here, you see the step here, and these machining lines are the original machining lines with the dents on it. Yay! Alright, so I'm gonna make again video on this cylinder head. When it comes back from the machine shop, I will gonna wash it also for final to see how it looks like. Or when I'm gonna strip it off, if I see any problem with the guides, I'm gonna make another video to explain that there is a problem with the guides and we need the guides, as an example. Alright, it might not need. Good thing is that I don't see any crack. I don't see, usually they have a crack between the exhaust and the port from the fuel engine, for the spark plug. The spark plug hole here to the exhaust valve. I don't see any problem there. Alright, nice. Just a small update to bring also the video front on the list. It's supposed to be CJX and CHH. Yeah, this surface has any dent. I need to check also the upper surface where it sits the cover. All this need to go away. The original sealant, it's not a sealant, it's the one, it's like a glue, and after 60-70,000 kilometers start leaking from everywhere. This kind of sealant. I'm not using the OEM, sorry. I'm using the other one that I'm using all the time, and I don't have any problem. At least up to 150,000 kilometers that I have monitored this, I don't see any leak. So that's it, small update, like I said, to show you that I received the cylinder head and the block. The block is going to machine shop to make it 83 millimeters. It's 82.5. The block is for another engine. The cylinder head, this cylinder head, it's for that engine. The block is for the other parts that I have inside of the engine currently. That's it, over and out. Thank you.